Hello everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review. Well, episode 72. Well, we are in the summer now and seems like Bitcoin is still fighting the all-time high. Hello Miko, hello Stefan, hello Kos, hello Michael. Let's start with a nice overview. Let's see what we have on a weekly chart, and then we'll do the usual review of the coins. So I hope everything is nice and clean on the DMAC. I hope everything is nice and clean on YouTube. Stefan could tell me that, or everyone could tell me if everything is nice and clean. Okay, Bitcoin on weekly. We had a nice drop, but on weekly chart you can see here is nothing more than a wick to the upside and back down. What we don't have anymore, if you remember, we talked last time about a possible 3-bar fractal top. Well, we had one candle, second candle. Well, now we should start again. One candle, second one, and for a 3-bar fractal top we need another one. So next week we can form that 3-bar fractal, and after that we can confirm or push higher. On weekly chart we are in the same place from some time. We can see testing the 69k all-time high from 2021, and we are trying to push higher. Will succeed? Well, you know how I'm thinking. I'm thinking range, and I'm thinking rejection there. That doesn't mean we cannot go higher, we cannot push higher. But it's more profitable to think range and to think double top and rejection than to think trend and real breakout. So on weekly, if you remember, we had on candle bodies, we have a bearish divergence last time here, an OBV also. Now we don't have anything special on the indicators at this point in time, at least not on weekly. But really good location here to think short. It's up to you. You can hunt 72. You can hunt here in the short reload zone for a daily EM or something similar. I think it's a good idea at least to hedge your portfolio. We don't know. Nobody knows if Bitcoin will push higher or not. But remember when we tested the 60k. A lot of people said, well, if I'll get a retest in the short reload zone, I'll short, I'll hedge. Well, you got that. It's up to you if you hedge your spot portfolio or not. Hey, Christian. Hey, Robert. So, hedge your portfolio if you know how to do it. If not, just trade, swing trade, do whatever you think is necessary. In my view, not too many things changed. 2024 is still buy the dip year. We are waiting for a dip. In altcoins we have some. On Bitcoin, not quite. That doesn't mean until the end of the year we'll not get a dip to test 52, maybe lower. No way to know that. 52, it's a normal retracement just to test the trend. It's that simple. A lot of people say, well, it's impossible. No, it's not. We can go even lower than that. It's a healthy uptrend. Let me zoom out. Yeah. So a retracement here will be a pump chaser zone from the entire move up. Just imagine what will happen with the people if, I'm repeating, if Bitcoin will touch 61.8 from the entire range. Well, a lot of people will say that crypto is a scam. Let's not touch crypto again, and they'll buy the top again. So at this point in time, on weekly, we are testing the short reload zone again and again. 69k is an important level. I'll go on the other chart and I'll show you the daily. Well, on daily chart, as you can see, we have the short from the shark setup. I was waiting for another short here. If I'll be stopped out here, I'll take the next one. luckily I didn't get stopped out here. My stop loss was just a hair higher, and I was lucky, let's call it that way. I'm still in the trade. Now slightly in profit. But you can see we are testing 78.6. An EM here at 78.6 is the perfect entry for a possible hedge short. The rest is up to you. If you are thinking bullish, well, bullish you can think bot setup. AB equals CD pointing to the upside. You have one low, you have two lows. We have the third low here, yeah, made Friday. So you can think bot setup. Put the levels there. I will not do it in this live stream. I did it already. So AB equals CD, one low, two lows. This is kind of your entry point, a retest of the 25. It's totally up to you if you are thinking bullish. You can play both ways. You can play the bot setup to the upside, and you can wait for an M or play a short setup. It's totally up to you. Indicators on daily chart, well, here we have at least equal highs. I think this one was a tick higher, and you can see RSI, it's lower. So we have some divergence. It's potential for the moment, but it's there. Yeah? If RSI will accept below this level, 52, then we have a confirmed bearish divergence. And if OBV will accept below this white line, again, we'll have a confirmed bearish divergence. Confirmed bearish divergence, they are strong signals, especially in a good location, and especially on OBV. Yeah. So signs, we have signs that we can retrace from this level. You want a clear EM here? Well, you can take the big one. Your entry will be at 67, or you can wait, hunt here for a possible EM. It's totally up to you. Now, level by level is the best. Let's keep our opinions away. Let's keep our 2 cents away. Let's look at the charts and let's find some setups. Yeah, setups, risk management, that makes us profitable. Opinions, well, everyone has an opinion. Doesn't work too much. That's why we are calling 2 cents. Yeah, it doesn't have much value in the market. So, short reloads on top of the range. You can see the range here. I'm okay with thinking short. If you want to think long, like I said, you have the bot setup here. I'll not frame it. It's too easy to frame it every time. So put some time and effort and frame a AB equals CD here if you want to trade it. Well, let's go on Ethereum and let's see what we have. Similar, kind of similar, only that on Ethereum you have an EM in the short reload zone already. You can think range here. That's not wrong on daily and lower time frame, but if you are looking from the high from 4,100 and 2,800, you have a big range, and you are in the short reload zone. You have an EM here. Here I think let's put some indicators. Well, you can see you have bearish divergence on RSI confirmed from couple of days, even more than 1 week here. This was a classic and a nice SFU here. And now you can see dropped like a hammer, confirmed this EM. We can retest some levels here. Yeah, we can test even 3,800, possible. But it's not wrong to think short here. So you have confirmed bearish divergence, you have the EM, you are in the short reload zone. You have a range. Now you are in the middle of this one. You can wait for a bounce and then to short. But swing traders without too much time, they will take this EM without a doubt. Well, I'm okay with taking 3,700, stop loss at $4,000, $300 window of risk. I have a 2-to-1. If we'll retest until 3,000, why not? It's a profitable trade. Yeah, Miku, yeah. Well, we have a lot of, we'll talk about soon. We have a lot of limit orders in the market, especially on altcoins. A lot lower, and we want to get some fills. It's our window of opportunity, so why not? So on daily, Ethereum looks similar with Bitcoin. You have short location, you have bearish divergence, and you have an M. Some people will say, well, we have a setup. Yeah, indeed we have. Especially people from Capua 1, they clearly have a general setup there. On lower time frame, you can think range here. I mentioned it already. Yeah, you can see this dark maul candle formed a range. We SFU to the upside, we can SFU to the downside. If you know how to play SFU and FU moves with the reclaim, then it's the best setup you can use. By the way, we are entering in the summer, so FU moves will be frequent. SFU setup will be the best setup you can play in the market. Not only in crypto, but traditional market also. And hit that like button if you consider that you like this kind of content. Well, Stefan, level by level, 52 could go lower, but let's take it level by level and setup by setup. Bitcoin dominance. Well, who's watching the daily crypto plan live stream knows that we talked many times about this inverse head and shoulder. You can see I framed it classically. Well, shoulder head. We had bullish divergence here. Let me show you. You can see bullish divergence. And you don't need a confirmed one when you are looking at the shoulder in the head. When that inverse head and shoulder or head and shoulder is forming. You need a potential one to give you, well, that could be a head and shoulder pattern. And you can see we had bullish on RSI and OBV. We formed the right shoulder neckline. We stayed at the neckline sometime. And luckily for some of us, we pushed back in the short reload zone. You can see this level seems random because the chart is different from daily to 12 hours. If I'll put 12 hours, you'll see that the level is correct. Yeah, you can see. And we stayed a lot of time at the neckline and finally we pushed higher. The target is already hit on that inverse head and shoulder. You can see 1 to 1, 61.8. We reached almost 78.6. We even retest this initial M. So in this move up, we retest that level. Wyckoff check kind of idea. Yeah? So if I'll put this level, let's delete this one. Nice for altcoins. It's an old one. We can think Wyckoff check here. We didn't have a check. So we test that level and now, well, now we should wait for a new pattern to emerge to see if we'll continue higher. That will be bad for altcoins, or will aim out in the short reload zone or just below, and that will be nice for altcoins. Okay, so on Bitcoin dominance, well, we are back on at the top of the range. We formed a new range here, but unfortunately now we are in the middle of it. So if you'll take this high and this low, you'll see you are exactly in the middle. Not the best area for us to do anything. Well, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Again, same kind of thinking. Bearish divergence in the short reload zone. Who's watching the daily crypto plan knows exactly what I'm trying to say here. Bearish divergence here in the top. YAM. Yeah, we have a nice YAM and breakdown. I draw a house level and you can see you are fighting at the first level. If you lose this one, well, next one is all the way down here. 0.05. Big fat round number. I could see a test there. Stefan will say that, well, if we'll test that level, we can wick to the middle of this candle. And I could agree with him on this one. Even a Wyckoff check, it's probable. A nice Wyckoff check here. Even lower, but let's take it step by step. We have an M in the short reload zone. We can think short. Let's draw a target. You can draw a fib and you'll see the long reload zone is somewhere in here at the Wyckoff check. I think Wyckoff check it's between 78.6 and 88.6. But let's not guess. Let's put a fib. Well, exactly at 78.6. So I could see the market testing that level again. Not too many things to say about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We had a kind of straight up move. We need some retests. If we'll change and we'll change the downtrend in an uptrend or in a range, I think it's a bit too early to call that. In the summer usually is not the best moment to think trend. Okay, so DXY, let's look at something not crypto related, but I love to see DXY on weekly reviews. We are still in the same range, and you can see we are fighting between this support and resistance level, 105.5 and support 103.5, and we have higher support and resistance, lower, but overall we formed a range here. We are going back in the short reload zone. We can form a pattern there, or we can consolidate. In the summer usually the big players are out, so the market makers are forced to hunt liquidity. So they'll hunt the wicks and tails. Yeah? They'll hunt for liquidity. They don't have the same advantage like us. I could enter a trade, or I could get out and stay out for one week. Well, a market maker cannot afford that. Has to be in the market every moment to provide liquidity, to provide levels. And to be profitable, will push the market in one direction and the other direction just to hunt liquidity. Okay, so DXY, it's in a range here. Not too many things we can add about this one. Total Q, well, it's similar with Bitcoin. I was hoping for an AB equals CD, but now I see some YAMS forming here. If Bitcoin will break down, that will drag even the Total Q down. It's still possible to make an AB equals CD. Now I have to adjust this one with this week. And you can think bot setup here. I don't take bot setups on daily, and we cannot trade Total Q, but you can still form something here. Let's see what will develop on next couple of days, maybe until next live stream. Okay, so that's the overview what we have here. If you have any requests, preferably at the end of the live stream, I want the ticker in the time frame you want me to take a look, and I'll gladly take a couple of requests. Now let's go and let's do our what we supposed to do in this live stream. The road to financial freedom. Now, nice plan, free for everyone. I'm keep repeating for new people. Free for everyone. You can make a copy. You have multiple plans here. You can use this spreadsheet multiple ways. We are still in this part of the plan. Yeah, still in this part. Buy low, sell half on a double, and reload if is the case. Now, we left the last time at 1 inch, and now we'll start with BAT. Let's see what we have on BAT. As you can see here, we have a fill and even a short, if I remember correctly. So let's see BAT. Well, we bought here, we didn't sold half on a double, so not too many things we can do here. So we bought, we didn't sold half on a double. I'm not reloading until I'll see the next W. It's just me. Maybe you want to, well, I want to buy this area, I want to dollar cost average. You have different plans, okay, but remember that we have a we have a limit order here at 8 cents. Now we're at 21 cents. It's possible if Bitcoin will drop or something bad will happen to get a fill at 8 cents. I think so. So we already have some exposure. We have a fill. We didn't get a shot. I don't think it's the case to do anything on this one. So we bought and we are waiting for lower levels. If I'll see a weekly W above this level, then I could change my mind and I could do something. But for the moment, nada to do in this chart. Just be damn sure that you have the shot all the way up there at 40 cents. That's simple. So next one, let's see what we have. Well, this one, let's see how it looks. Well, we bought. Let's see if we have something. Well, on this one, we don't have a fill here on buy one, but we have a fill on buy two, if I remember correctly. So we bought, but we don't have anything else here. Yeah, we just bought 0.5. I think it's okay for us to wait for the other one at 50 cents. And let's just wait without doing anything. We can go a lot lower if Bitcoin will drop, so I don't think it's anything we can do. What we can do, okay, put the shot there and wait for a fill. It's that simple. Okay, so if I'll see a W, weekly W, I could change my mind, but I don't see it. For the moment, that buy at 50 cents, it's looking nice. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, let's see Kava. Okay, so we bought, we sold half on a double, we bought again, and let's wait for a shot 2 kind of idea. So we have 2 buys in 1 shot. If I'll see a new W forming there, okay, I could buy again, but for the moment, we have a good location. It's not a question about that. If you have a different plan, I'm not saying it's not a good level to buy. Yeah, but we bought already here. We have two buys. We reloaded. Let's just call it that way. And we are waiting for the shot. What you can do in this moment is just go back on Binance and check if you have the shot, the second one. It's that simple. If I'll see a weekly W, a big one, a wide one, okay, that will convince me to buy again. For the moment we bought, let's hit that shot. Pretty easy to review the coins lately. CVX, that's the next one. You can see we have a buy, but I don't think we have nothing more on that. Okay, so we bought 0.5 here and the market is still dropping. I don't think it's the case to do anything special here. Yeah, I think it's nice and clean to just leave it alone. Put the shot there to be sure that it's working. And if we'll see, will take some time, but if we'll see a new weekly W, well, why not? We can reload. We can buy more because 0.5 we can buy another 0.5 pretty easily here. Well, Stefan is saying hit that like. Well, hit that like only if you like the content. If you don't like it, don't hit the like. Okay, I want to see how many people really love this kind of content, the consistency, our plan, and things like that. And I know how many people are watching and how many people are liking the video. Okay, so on CVX is disappointing. You can see it's testing the lows. We can watch this level, put in a waiting list on a lower time frame. Maybe you can form power of 3 or something, or a W here. It's possible. But you can see we took the lows a couple of weeks ago, small bounce here, and now we are retesting the level. Doesn't give me too much trust on this level. Next one. Okay, next one. Well, the DYDX. We bought, we reloaded. We bought, we shot, we reloaded here, or we didn't reload it here. Seems like we didn't hit the reload. We'll reload. At least it's what I see here. Let's check the spreadsheet. So we bought, we hit the short level. Okay. To buy. Well, no fill here. At least that's on the chart, and seems like the price is exactly at the limit. So We touched 1.6, but not a tick below. So usually you don't get a fill if it hits exactly your level. So we can still wait for a fill here, and after we'll get the fill, we can put the shot. Nothing to do. If we don't have a fill, nothing to do. Let's wait. Let's wait this summer. If I'll see a new weekly W, I could think about hunting lower levels. Actually, on this one, seeing the price action here, I think it's safe enough to put a new level. Yeah, because we shot and we bought 0.5, we can put more. I think this level 1005, it's a good level to buy again. It's just me. If the market will form lower, so be it, but I think it's a good level. So buy 0.5 here. Yeah, so Miku, sorry, but on this one you'll have to update a little bit. You'll need the chart and you'll need to update the spreadsheet. I think it's a good level here. It's a range, okay. It's below the open here on Binance. It's a working product. I think it's a good idea to buy it at $1. It's holding pretty nice in these dumps. Okay, next one. Nexo. Well, on Nexo, we bought 0.5, as you can see here. We shot, so we sold half on a double, and the market is keep pushing higher. We have a second buy to reload at 75 cents, but the market is not going down. Nothing we can do here. We have the buy limit order there, and I think we should wait for more details. I could just adjust a little bit the long reload zone. Let's put a complete one with 61.8. Maybe 61.8 will give us more confidence in time, and I could buy some a bit higher. But for the moment, I think 75 cents it's just a good level to reload. 78.6, it's always a good level in altcoins. Okay, so that's Nexo. The next one. Well, Osmo. Well, we're just talking Saturday with the Romanian guys about Osmo. Let's see how it's doing. Let me zoom. Let me ticker the chart a little bit. Well, we bought here. We sold half on a double, I think. I don't see the sell half on a double. I have to go and look here. So we bought, we shot. Okay. That's good. Well, luckily with Miku. Miku is really good at that. So we bought 0.5. We bought another 0.5 here. Let me check the chart. I don't like what I see. Let's see. Okay, we bought 67. We shot at 135. Well, that's a shot there. 135. This is a different template. I think this is a shot. Where I have the shot. I think that's the case. And now we'll reload here soon enough, if will be the case. Yeah. Okay, so we'll Miku it's giving me the confirmation that this indeed is a shot. So I did something wrong there on the chart. Now we'll reload here at what is the level? 67 cents. Pretty close to that, to our level to reload. So we have free coins. That's great. And we'll reload again. After we'll get our limit order filled, we should put the shot back, and we'll repeat the process as long as market is letting us do that. The longer the channel, the better for us, because we can buy low, sell half on a double, reload, buy low, sell half on a double, reload, and that way we can get a lot of free coins with the same money. That's the key on this project. Okay, so Osmo, I don't see a weekly W here. You can see it. It's just a straight down, straight up, straight back in the long reload zone. I don't see that weekly W, but I'm okay with reloading below 78.6 there. Yeah, because we have free coins already. So Osmo, with the exception that we don't have yet a weekly W, looks really nice. Okay, so Osmo, it's okay. XM. Well, let's see what we have on XM. XM seems like it's disappointing, no? Yeah, I was thinking about that. Well, we bought here and we missed the shot. Just barely missed it here. 62 cents and the shot was at 66. Goes back down, is testing the lows. We have exposure 0.5. I don't see a new weekly W could go a lot lower. I think it's something about delisting from Binance. I don't know exactly. I think so. So Miku, see if it's delisting from Binance, we can adapt the spreadsheet and put it on KuCoin, for example, or something. Yeah, Christian is confirming what I'm saying. So that's why it's dropping so hard. Watch out if it's delisting, if you can still keep it there. If you cannot keep it, you have a limit time until you should redraw or change it. Be careful because it's not okay to just lose the coins. Yeah, you can move them elsewhere or you can give up on this one. It's up to you. I think the best solution here is just to move the coins on another exchange. I think everyone from our community has at least a KuCoin, if not more accounts, not only Binance. Okay, so that's XM. Nothing we can do here. We bought. Let's move it somewhere else and put the shot back and just wait. It's that simple. Sometimes shit like this is happening. It's just how it goes on crypto. It's not nice, but it is what it is. Hot. Let's see. Hot. Let's see how hot is this one. Well, it's so hot that if you look here, we don't have a fill. Was too hot for us. You can see, barely missed our order. We have another order here. We just missed this one. It's going back down to take our order. Be damn sure to have the orders in the market, but nothing to update on this one. No, it's okay. Let's just wait. Okay, let's adapt a little bit the fib levels. I think this one is better. Let's wait here. If we'll get a fill there, then we have some exposure. Don't remove the order below. Don't remove it. Wait. It's possible in the right environment to get a fill there. Yeah, it can be removed on KuCoin with a small commission. Yeah. Well, the amount is not big, especially if you follow exactly the plan with the small amount. So, I don't know. But to follow the plan, yeah, move it on KuCoin and just play it there. Okay, so on hot, nothing to do. We have 2 limit orders. Nice. Let's wait. It's the hardest part from some people. Yeah, they want to be investors. They want to make money on crypto. They don't have time for trading. They don't want to learn trading because it's hard. And they don't have patience for investing. Well, I don't know how I could help you in this case. I don't know. Honestly. So for investment, you don't have patience. For trading, you don't have consistency. And maybe you don't have time. But you want to make money in this space. Well, decide for yourself. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. And the last one is XP. Let's see what this one is doing. This is an old shitcoin, if you remember this one. Yeah, remember this one. Did some nice things. Yeah, nice things in the last one. Acceptable. Now the level is even better. Will succeed or will go belly up? We don't know and we don't care. We bought here. Shot is here. Let's see, we hit the shot or we don't have a shot on this one. I don't think we have a shot. Just 1 second. Well, we don't have a shot, but we are waiting for a shot. So that's good. To do anything else? No, because we don't have a shot, we should wait. If we'll go lower and lower, we'll wait for that weekly W. So I think it's okay-ish for us to wait. Be damn sure that you have the shot in the market. That's for sure. You don't know. You can see here, for example, this candle up. If you had the sale here, okay. If you didn't have it in next week or next 2 or 3 weeks, it's back down. So be damn sure you have the short in the market. That's the last coin. On the plan, we are pretty nice and clean. Not too many things to change here. Just be careful that we are with minus here available. I have more money on the exchanges, so I don't worry about that, but we cannot put too many orders because we are at limit. Let's call it that way. So we invested 1,000. We put some limit orders on the rest. Let's just wait. Probably the market, if will give us some fills, then and some shots. We need some shots here to be able to put more orders. But we'll continue every week to review the coins, to see the levels, if it's anything to change. That's why we have these live streams. Okay, so that's the review on the road to financial freedom. I don't see requests. Maybe I'm wrong and we have requests, but I don't see them for the moment. Let's see what we have in the chat. Stefan is saying something, but Stefan, you are putting requests? Yeah, FX, yes. Yeah, every time I'll skip you. You ask your all the questions for a lifetime or for 2 lifetimes. So you're not allowed to do any requests. Guys, I know it's the summertime. People are going vacation. They are not interested in trading anymore. They are looking at the moon boys. Well, we'll go to the moon exactly tomorrow. Triangle breakout and things like that. Let's keep our foot on the ground and let's not become moon boys. We have some plans. We are serious traders, serious investors. Let's follow the plan. On trading, keep it stupid simple. I don't need to be the smartest guy. I'm just a stupid trader with clear plan and clear setups, and I'm making money. You don't need more than that. Yeah, it's not easy to respect a plan, but it's necessary. So, yeah, go on vacation. Okay, put crypto on the last place, but respect the plan. Check for short levels to be damn sure that you have them in the market. Be damn sure that you have the limit orders in the market. Could be a nice opportunity for us. So, okay, I get it. It's summer, it's hot, it's nice. Everyone has something else to do. But we decided that we'll respect the plan. Let's do that. By the way, we have the last chance challenge here. I'll put it bigger so you can see it bigger. It's for premium, this one. New coins, it's a bit different. The approach is different than the road to financial freedom. And I think this one will give us the best results. This one I made it specially for me, and I said, okay, let's give it for premium and VIP guys. My amount is a bit bigger, but because we split it here $3,000 in such a way, 2% in total. Well, the minimum amount to buy to dollar cost average is still $10. So you can multiply. Well, I want to buy more. $3,000 is just pizza money for me, and I want to invest $30,000. It's up to you. You can multiply and you can still use this plan. On the other hand, remember that we are not financial advisors. So it's totally up to you what you're doing with your money. I have this plan and I'm using it. I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my own money. Miku is following, Stefan is following, but the rest of you, it's your decision, your money, your decision, and that's the best approach. Huh? So if you want to participate in this one, you'll need to be a premium Discord member. Yeah? For the general one, for the road to financial freedom, you just need to be a general member, a verified member on Discord, and you'll have access on multiple things, including this plan. Yeah, it's weekly updated. Every week, Miku is taking care of the plan, so it's definitely on the spot. Doesn't cross a week without updating this one. It's still time. A lot of orders are waiting. It's still time to follow this plan if you want. Well, you'll not get exactly the same results. This plan is more than 1.5 years working away already. But it's there and it's for free. Totally for free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Well, if we don't have requests, with Stefan exception, let's just keep it short. Yeah, we have 40 minutes in this live stream. It's summertime. I think the short version is better. Let's appreciate people's time. Let's not keep them more than it's needed in a live stream and watching a YouTube live stream. 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, it's more than enough for us. If you want to join us, you'll find the description. You'll find the link in the description. If you want to participate on a daily crypto plan, subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get a notification when we are live streaming. We are doing that every day in London session. More than that, I don't know. It's totally up to you. Just don't give up at the end. I'll repeat that every week until the end of the year. Yeah, don't give up at the end. This is an opportunity, it's not a time to give up. I see only regulars here, even in this live stream. Huh? I don't see new people. I don't see, I don't know, moon boys. Not even people who would request. Not even scammers. You can see we don't have scammers. That is telling us that we are close to the end of this opportunity. Maybe you'll have a capitulation, maybe not, but will not last forever. Okay, guys, 45 minutes, more than enough. End of the weekend. See you tomorrow morning with the daily crypto plan. Take care.